how to accept a string as input in Python. So let's go ahead and see how we do that. So let's call the name of this variable that's going to hold the string as string itself, right? So string equal to input of. Okay. So string equal to input of. So if you now, let's say we accept this input this way and we also print what is there in string. So let's run this and see what we get. Okay, so let's say the input is good. Okay, we enter good as an input. Okay, and good gets printed as output. Okay, recall how do we try to understand what the type of an object is? How do we print the type of an object? We print type of string. Okay, so what is the type of string? As expected, it should be str, right? So let's now run this and see. So now let's enter the input as word. Okay, so word is the input. Word gets printed here on line 2 and the type of string is str. So this is how we accept a string as input in Python.